Hey guys, what's up? I haven't posted in like a year or so, and during that time I got a GoPro, a new GoPro Hero 5. It is right there on the side, down there. But I can't use it, it's at 2% battery. We just got back from Aruba and I haven't been able to charge it. So yeah, so today I'm going to be scrambling these 6 cubes and I'm going to be solving them. So let's start scrambling here. So, this cube right here is called the Pyraminx. It's a very simple cube, not too hard. One of my first cubes. Here's one. Now these 2 cubes are 3x3s. These are the same 3x3, just stickerless. This is just in the plastic, and then stickered. And yes. So while I scramble these cubes out, we can go on to the next few cubes. So the next cube we have is a 2x2. It's just a Rubik's 2x2. It is not the best cube ever. So we have this. I'm solving. Scramble that. We have 2 last cubes: the gear ball and then the mirror cube, or mirror block, whatever it's called. That one's scrambled. Now let's get to this mirror cube.
It's not focusing.
Huh?
Not focusing.
Oh.
Sorry if it's a little bad. This camera's a little old, so it's not really focusing that well.
Come over here.
Okay.
Actually, wait.
I'm just gonna stop the video. We're gonna keep going.
Okay, so point at the cubes, please. Now I got the cubes scrambled, and we will be solving them. So we're gonna start. I'm gonna start with these 3x3s and go to 2x2 and finish up. Actually, I'm gonna do the Pyraminx. So I'm gonna inspect the cube. Okay, ready, set,
Go.
go. That's one, and then now I'm just going to be solving these cubes however I want. Basically, is what this is. It's just a relay of solving cubes, really. So, yeah, I'm very sorry that I haven't posted in a while. I've been busy and stuff like that. I know, busy for a year, crazy. But I've been busy this time, and I finished school 2 months ago. It's near the end of school, and I had to go to Canada. I went to Canada for 4 weeks and went to Aruba with my family, and then I had no time to make videos whatsoever. So I've been very busy here. I'm so sorry about that. I'm just gonna apologize now. So, for no hate in the comments, please. I just don't want to deal with that and may have to just delete the channel. I really don't want to do that. If you don't like my videos, just please don't go and hate on him. Just leave, and just don't even, you dislike them, just please don't hate in the comments or anything. That's what a lot of YouTubers say. No hating, just if you wanna, dislike it and leave. Okay, so now we're on the 2x2. I recently learned this actually by myself with some 3x3 algorithm and stuff like that. And this is a very complicated cube. I was doing cubing for like the longest time and had no idea how to solve this. And I just figured out how, so I'm happy about that. Yeah. I've been cubing for not too long. I have a selection of puzzles though, and yeah, so I haven't been cubing for the longest time, or the shortest time. But yeah, it's fun, yeah. It's just sometimes hard. to do it. Yeah, that's really all. Okay, so right now I'm solving the gear ball, just trying to get the corners paired up. This is the most intuitive part, but the hardest part. Okay, so no, I'm just doing this for fun, so yeah. Okay, boom, last cube, now we're on to the mirror cube. Okay, so this cube I got in Canada, actually around 4 weeks in, out of those 7 weeks away, I got this cube. It is very, very smooth, incredibly smooth, but I figured out how to solve it within 2 minutes, and yeah, I mean, basically that. So once I solve this, I'm going to have to end the video instantly because our camera's battery is going to die. I know that because it was low battery when we started. I had 2 extra batteries, but that's one of them. That's the only one that was actually charged. So, Ash, are we almost dead?
We still have 1%.
What?
We still have 1%.
Okay, so I will solve this as fast as I can. If the camera dies, just know I'm sorry, dude. Sorry, guys. Very sorry. Not my fault. Just that camera was dead. Has been sitting in my backpack for at least 3 months, 3-4 months. Okay, I'm just almost on the first layers. Still working on them though. Okay. Last layer would be fast. Okay, now we're on last layer. Okay, last algorithm. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and this video has been really fun doing this, so hey guys, that's pretty much it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Bye!